Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed decisions about your skincare and beauty products. If you're someone who's struggling with dry, dehydrated skin, or simply looking for that fresh, radiant glow, you're in the right place today. Let's talk about Naturium's Barrier Bounce Serum, a hydrator that promises to deliver plump, dewy skin from head to toe. Naturium has formulated this serum with hydration at the forefront, boasting ingredients like Squalane, Ceramide complex, and urea. It's an oil serum hybrid that works for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, and combination skin. But does it really work as promised? Well, let's dive in. So what exactly is this product? The Naturium Barrier Bounce Serum is designed to plump, hydrate, and nourish your skin. With 5% Squalane, 2% urea, and a ceramide complex, this product is supposed to support your skin's barrier while providing intense hydration. The goal is to leave you with a glowing, smooth complexion, especially on areas like your face, neck, and chest. And it's safe for daily use, morning and night. Upon first application, you'll notice a lightweight, almost gel-like texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It's not overly greasy, so it's great for people who want hydration without the heavy feeling of some oils or thick creams. It feels quite refreshing, and it doesn't leave an oily residue. I've been using this serum as part of my evening routine for the past week. I apply it after cleansing and toning, just before I follow up with a moisturizer. The scent is very mild, which is great if you're sensitive to fragrances. This serum is, after all, synthetic fragrance-free. The finish is dewy, which is exactly what I look for when using a hydrating serum. It adds an instant boost of moisture and leaves my skin looking fresh and plump. Now, let's talk about the real-world results. After using this serum consistently, my skin feels softer, smoother, and more nourished. It definitely does what it promises in terms of hydration. The product's formula supports the skin barrier, so I've noticed that my skin feels less irritated, especially after exposure to harsh weather. The hydration seems to last longer compared to some other serums I've tried, which tend to leave my skin feeling dry a few hours after application. But no product is perfect. While I'm happy with how this serum hydrates my skin, there are a couple of things to consider. If you have very oily skin, you might want to use this sparingly, as it does provide that dewy finish, and too much product could make your skin look overly shiny. Also, if you're using this during the day, make sure to follow it up with sunscreen, as hydration alone won't protect you from UV rays. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the serum is incredibly hydrating. It works well for sensitive skin, and the ingredient list is full of skin-loving components like Squalane and ceramides that help to restore the skin barrier. I also appreciate how lightweight it feels, so it's easy to incorporate into a layered skincare routine without feeling heavy. On the downside, as I mentioned, it might not be the best choice for oily skin types unless you're careful with the amount you use. Also, while it delivers a beautiful glow, you may want something more mattifying if you're prone to shine. In terms of value for money, I think this serum is well priced for the quality of ingredients it contains. The formulation feels premium, but the price point is still accessible compared to other products with similar benefits. If you're looking for a high-quality serum to address dehydration, it's definitely worth considering. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some great serums out there, but I find that many lack the same high-quality ingredients. However, if you're okay with slightly less hydration, you can try options like the Ceramide Hydrating Serum, which also offers great hydration, but at a lower price point. Naturium has also built a strong reputation for affordable skincare that actually works, and that's why I trust their formulations. As for the packaging, it's simple and functional, and the pump dispenser ensures you don't waste any product. So, is the Naturium Barrier Bounce Serum worth it? Yes, I believe it is, especially for those with dry, sensitive skin looking for a quick hydration boost. It does exactly what it says it will do: hydrate, plump, and give you that dewy finish. If you're in need of a solid serum that supports your skin barrier without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth adding to your routine. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.